पणजे रोटरी क्लबान केल्ल्या वाळपय स्कुलाच्या सौंदर्यीकरणाचे हॅपी स्कुलाचे उक्तावण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी केले. आर्डिक्स कुवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The work of the Rotary Club and especially the Rotary Club of Banjul has been highly appreciated. And I would like to also offer you is that I was just telling me that you are planning to have a camp. I was told that Raja Milwani was very clear that he says it is not another 3 days and then Yogesh takes over. Under Yogesh now the next camp that you are going to have especially for women with doctor sitting here in the audience quietly and Ashwini and everybody doing a camp for women and also testing for cervical cancer. But I also want to suggest to you that any help you require from the health services or our side, because we are trying to reinvent and trying to get the people to understand things a little differently. If you don't want to do these regular checks on a regular basis, where this awareness has to be created not among the uneducated but also among the educated people, because people shy away from doing all this. So whatever you want as a Rotary club and your facility, whatever I can do for my side and provide doctors for any kind of camp. And I know you got a lot of doctors from the private sector who voluntarily spend their time and help you take your camps forward.
Well, it's a teamwork which has gone into making this school as a happy school. Whatever projects we do in Rotary Club, work as a team. We are 57 plus members now. A very happening club, and we do so much in this society. Our motto is service above self, which means you serve the others more than what you do to yourself.
Members of Rotary Club of Panji Riviera have transformed this school, which was a basic government primary school here in Walpoi. We have transformed it into a happy school. We have upgraded the total infrastructure here. We have done up the classrooms. We have brought in new desk benches, put up the green boards for writing. We have done up a toilet block behind, so now there are separate toilets for girl child and boys. We have done up a stage and a lot of other equipment. We have got a washing station so kids can wash their hands properly to maintain good hygiene. So a lot of these little things we have done, and including when we did the interior painting, we have done up all the lovely designs on the walls so a child feels happy. And as you see the board up there, going back to school, we observe that there are a lot of school dropouts. So here we are looking at getting the children back to school.